Hello, finally here's a update video. And I'll be showing you guys now what I've been doing. Well, I haven't posted I have posted some stuff, but I haven't really gone in full that video really. Which, for example, I made this, like, I don't know, what was it, 2 days ago or something, but I've actually already posted like a little short of it, and I actually didn't include this. I usually had this instead, and this is just much more easier. It's like a winch, so you wind it. And also I've used sticky tack so it doesn't fall off the table. You can see it moves a bit, but it's enough to have your hand in. And this is heavily inspired by technofur's version. Sorry for not being able to say its name, but it's a pretty good design, I would say. I'm also figuring out how to make a locking mechanism so it can actually spring out like a spring lock, which I can't right now. But I also got this eye. I was trying out lenses for these. It actually fits in, which is pretty good, and it's also transparent, which was a good excuse to actually try it. Pretty good. It lights up. It uses the old Animatronic I made, like actually the first one, because the other ones were used for these eyes. I don't know where the other one is, but yeah, we've also got this. I also posted. I got the spring lock that couldn't really get out. I don't know if it's still a scars. I think I got a bit of a scar there, but I don't know if I should show that. It's very dangerous. It's very bad in like design wise. They don't really lock in place. You have to put nuts between these, but some of these they just stay locked using friction. And this, I tried to give it like exterior, like upgrade, and you can also see these foam pieces. Okay, that fell, but yeah, we have these. They don't really go on well. I don't know if it's because it's on metal or something, or if it's hard to have hot glue on foam, or I don't know if this is foam. This might just be sponge. But also I'm trying to make an exterior, but it doesn't really look good. So I might as well make a poll if I should have the exterior or if I should stick to it just being metal. But I might make a shell, a 3D print shell of it, like I did with this. And also if it's in purple LED light, I think it turns purple. I might post that. We got a parts box for some stuff, and also I just made this a bit different because I wanted to make like the top of the yeah, make it just better and less like a block. And this servo got damaged, or like got destroyed. It broke, so we have it right here. As for being just decorational. And we got more filament, which is pretty good for more 3D printing. I can't really speak today. I don't know why. But also just in general, I'm making a cosplay for this. Don't know why. I'm not gonna go like trick-or-treating or out for Halloween, but it's just for fun, I guess. Which also, I think I'll be making a stream soon. Maybe a 150 subscribers special. Maybe, depends when it hits. And hopefully I will be actually able to make a good design of this.